Hello, visionary founders and storytellers. Today, we're diving into a transformative technique for your next pitch, storyboarding your pitch deck. Let's unlock how this creative method can revolutionize your approach to engaging investors. Imagine your pitch deck as a cinematic journey. Start with the script, the foundation of your story. What's the problem you're solving? How does your solution change the game? What's the journey you want to take your audience on? Now, sketch it out. Think of each slide as a scene in your story. How does each contribute to the narrative? What visuals can you use to bring this story to life and make each point memorable? Identify the moments where you can connect emotionally. Perhaps it's the origin of your idea, a customer's story, or the future you're trying to create. These touch points are where your audience emotionally invests in your journey. Consider interactivity. Where can you involve your audience? Maybe a live demo, a rhetorical question, or an interactive graph. Plan these moments to transform passive listening into active engagement. Use your storyboard to iterate. This visual approach allows you to easily rearrange, refine, and perfect your story, ensuring that when you do present, it's not just a pitch, it's an experience. By embracing storyboarding, you're not just preparing a pitch deck, you're crafting an engaging narrative that showcases your startup's vision, mission, and potential impact in a way that's impossible to ignore. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. How have you used storytelling in your pitches? What impact did it have on your audience's engagement and response? Share your stories and let's inspire each other with the power of creative storytelling.